Hi, I'm Philip the Wulf. I'm a marketeer and a service designer with an obsession for great customer experiences. Every organization struggles with crafting optimal customer interactions. Every touch point is a moment of truth, and no organization can afford to mess up any of them. During my career as a marketeer working for companies like Vodafone, Heineken, Friesland Campina, I learned that offering great customer experiences really matters to the bottom line. By attending this conference, you will get answers to essential questions like what is a customer journey? Where do I start? How do I design and manage it? You will get best practices, real-life cases from top experts from business to consumer and business to business corporations. Join us on November 22nd in the Ghelamco Arena in Ghent. Subscribe on customerjourneyconference.be. Hope to see you there.